Hello students, welcome to math class. The last video we studied exercise 3.4, the first 5 questions. Now let's start 6th one. If x plus y plus z equal to 9, xy plus yz plus zx equal to 26, then find the value of x square plus y square plus z square. We know that the formula x square plus y square plus z square equal to x plus y plus z the whole square minus 2 into xy plus yz plus zx. Here the given value x plus y plus z equal to 9. So 9 square minus 2 is the constant. So minus 2 write as it is. Here the xy plus yz plus zx value is 26. So 9 9s are 81 minus 2 into 26. The answer is 52. So 81 minus 52, so 29. So the value of x square plus y square plus z square equal to 29. Seventh question, find 27a cube plus 64b cube if 3a plus 4b equal to 10 and ab equal to 2. So we know that x cube plus y cube formula. Here x cube plus y cube is identically equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3 into xy into x plus y. So we have to find the value of 27a cube plus 64b cube. So 27 equal to, that is 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 can be written as 3 cube, that is 3a the whole cube. 64 can be written as 4b the whole cube. So this is the format of x cube plus y cube. Now 3a whole cube plus 4b the whole cube. So here the x value is 3a, the y value is 4b. Now substitute x plus y, that is 3a plus 4b the whole cube minus 3 into xy, that is x value is 3a, the y value is 4b into x plus y 3a plus 4b. So already given here 3a plus 4b value is 10. That is given value here. ab equal to 2. Now substitute 3a plus 4b equal to 10. That is 10 cube minus, now multiply the constant term. 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36. a into b, ab into 3a plus 4b value is 10. Here 10 cube value is 1000. That is 10 into 10 minus 36. So already given AB value is 2 into 2 into 10. So 1000 minus, so 36 into 2, 72, 72 into 10, 720. So 1000 minus 720, the answer is 280. So the value of 27a cube plus 64b cube is 280. Eighth question. find x cube minus y cube if x minus y is equal to 5 and xy equal to 14. So we know that x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y the whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. Here x minus y value is 5, that is 5 cube plus 3 into the xy value is 14, x minus y value is 5. So 5 cube value, we have to write 5 3 times, that is 5 5s are 25, 25 into 5, 125 plus 3 5s are 15, 15 into 14, the answer is 210. So 125 plus 210, 335. So the value of x cube minus y cube equal to 335. Ninth question. If a plus 1 by a is equal to 6, then find the value of a cube plus 1 by a cube. So we know that x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3 into xy into x plus y. Here the x value is a, the y value is 1 by a. So a cube, so we have to find the value of a cube 1 by a cube. So 1 by a cube can be written as 1 by a the whole cube. So 1 cube value also 1, the a cube here. So here also a cube. So this is the format of x cube plus y cube. Here the x value is a, the y value is 1 divided by a. Now substitute x is equal to a, y equal to 1 by a the whole cube minus 3 into the x value is a, the y value is 1 by a into x plus y, that is a plus 1 by a. So already given here a plus 1 divided by a equal to 6. So here a plus 1 by a equal to 6 the whole cube minus here a cancel, the remaining value is 3. So here also a plus 1 by a, the value is 6. So 6 cube value is 216. So 6 6 are 36, 36 into 6, 216 minus 6 3s are 18. Now 216 minus 18, so the answer is 198. So the value of a cube plus 1 divided by a cube is equal to 198. 10th question. If x square plus 1 by x square equal to 23, find the value of x plus 1 by x and x cube plus 1 by x cube. So this is the format of a square plus b square. So we know that a square plus b square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 2 into ab. So now the a value is here x square plus 1 by x square, that is 1 by x the whole square. Here the a value is x, b equal to 1 by x. So x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2 into, here the a value is x, so b value is 1 by x. Now x cancel. So here x square plus 1 by x square value is 23. So the left side answer here 23 equal to x plus, there is unknown value here, x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 2. So we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x. Now, so we have to change here 23. So minus 2 in right side, just convert to left side means plus 2 equal to x plus 1 by x the whole square. So what is the answer here? 25 equal to x plus 1 by x the whole square. So here we have to find the value of x plus 1 by x only. So we have to remove the square. That is, we have to remove the square means taking square root on both sides. So taking square root means square and square root cancel. So x plus 1 by x is equal to the square root of 25. So square root of 25 value is 5. So the value of x plus 1 by x is equal to 5. Next we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. So we know that formula x cube plus y cube, that is x cube plus y cube equal to x plus y the whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Here the x value is, that is same x only, x cube. Here the y value is 1 by x. 1 by x the whole cube is equal to x plus 1 by x the whole cube minus 3 into the x value is x, y equal to 1 by x. So x plus y, here the x value is same, y equal to 1 by x. So already we find out the value, x plus 1 by x is equal to 5, that is 5 cube, minus here x cancel, 3 into x plus 1 by x value is 5. So 5 cube value 125 minus 3 5s are 15. So 125 minus 15, the answer is 110. So the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube equal to 110. The value of x plus 1 by x equal to 5. 12th question. Simplify the first one, 2a plus 3b plus 4c into 4a square plus 9b square plus 16c square minus 6ab minus 12bc minus 8ca. So we know that x plus y plus z into x square plus y square plus z square minus xy minus yz minus zx is equal to x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So this is the format of x plus y plus z. So here we have to identify the x value and y value, z value. Here x equal to 2a, the y value is 3b and z value is 4c. Just substitute the formula here. So we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. So first identify the value. The x value is 2a, that is 2a the whole cube plus y value is 3b, that is 3b the whole cube plus the z value is 4c the whole cube minus 3 into xyz, that is x value is 2a, the product of x then y and z value. So only we have to find the value of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here the left side value is given, so we have to find the right side only. So 2 cube, that is 2, we have to write 2 3 times. The answer is 8a cube plus So 3 cube value is 27b cube plus 4 cube value is 64c cube minus, so we have to multiply the constant value. So 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So 18 into 4, that is 72. So A into B into C. So this is the answer. 13th question. By using identity, evaluate 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube. So we know the result. If A plus B plus C equal to 0, A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So here, first we have to check the condition here. So this is the format of A cube plus B cube plus C cube. So what is A here? A equal to 7, B equal to minus 10 and C equal to 3. So first verify A plus B plus C. So the answer is 7 minus 10 plus 3. So 7 plus 3 10. So 10 minus 10 0. So satisfy the condition here. A plus B plus C equal to 0. So what is the formula here? A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3ABC. So here we have to find the value 7 cube minus 10 cube plus 3 cube is equal to, so what is the formula? 3 into ABC. That is 3 is the constant, right, as it is. Here the A value is 7. The B value is minus 10. C value is 3. Now 7 3s are 21 into 10 3s are here plus minus. So plus into minus minus. So 10 3s are 30. So 21 into 30. So the answer is 630. So minus 630 is the answer. 13th question. Second one. 1 plus 1 by 8 minus 27 by 8. So what is the formula here? A cube plus B cube plus C cube equal to 3 into ABC. So first we have to write in terms of cube. So 1 can be written as 1 cube. So 8 can be written as, that is 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2. That is 1 divided by 2 the whole cube. Minus 27 in terms of cube means that is 3 cube. So 8 2 cube, that is 3 divided by 2 the whole cube. So here plus C cube only, that is plus C. So here minus 27 divided by 8. So minus 3 by 2 the whole cube. Now what is A value here? A equal to 1, B equal to 1 by 2 and C equal to minus 3 by 2. First we have to verify if A plus B plus C equal to 0. What is A here? A equal to 1. The B value is 1 by 2. The C value is minus 3 by 2. So now cross multiply here. 1 2s are 2. 2 plus 1 3. That is 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So the answer is 0. So if A plus B plus, so A plus B plus C equal to 0. Therefore find the value of A cube, that is 1 cube plus 1 by 2 the whole cube plus minus 3 by 2 the whole cube is equal to 3 into the A value is 1, B value is 1 by 2 and C is minus 3 by 2. Now, so here cancellation not possible, just multiply the numerator value. So plus into minus minus, 3 3s are 9, divide by 2 2s are 4. So minus 9 by 4 is the answer. 14th one, if 2x minus 3y minus 4z equal to 0, then find 8x cube minus 27y cube minus 64z cube. So we know that the formula x cube plus y cube plus z cube equal to 3xyz. So we have to find the value of 8x cube. So here the cube only variable only, so we have to take the constant also. So 8 can be written as 2x the whole cube. That is 2 cube value is 8x cube plus, so 27 in terms of cube means that is 3y the whole cube. So minus 27 is there, so minus 3y the whole cube plus, so z value is 64, that is minus 4z the whole cube. First we have to write in terms of cubes. Now identify the x value. So here the x value is 2x, y value is minus 3y and z value is minus 4z. So equal to 3 into the x value is 2x, y value is minus 3y and z value is minus 4z. So now multiply the constant term. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 into 4 that is 72. So minus into minus plus. So what is the variable here? X into y into z. So x into y into z. So this is the answer. So thank you students. We will meet the next video class.